Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to degrease an engine. Could work for all. I'm just doing my 350. So first, get you a good can of degreaser. I went to O'Reilly's. It got good brand, you know. So went ahead and bought that. And you're going to need a dirty shop rag or even a clean one that you can dirty. And we are going to apply it, of course, with the they're on, but back there we got to be careful. The throttle body's right there, and then we're going to wipe it off with our dirty shop rag, and it might need a few goes to get all this dirt in the covers and all. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, not get in there. Good, get all that dirt out. Gonna go ahead and be careful around this oil cap. Go ahead and wipe off right there. And I'm sure it'll burn off once start it and it gets warm. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side and wipe it down, get all that dirt out on the other side. Careful about them wires. If they fall loose, probably put them back up so they don't hang by your headers down there. This also works on other parts as well. As you can see, I've done a little bit to this here, and it's worked pretty good. So I'm gonna probably end up doing that to the rest of the bay here. And for easier use, we are going to spray the shop rag down with a little of the degreaser. And we're gonna go ahead and wipe things off that way, like for instance here. Top of the caution fan. Careful not to drop it. He's doing a good job, as that was once brown and muddy. But hey, it's get that hose out of the way. But this is a pickup. It's not always meant to be clean for, it's not no show pickup. It does work.